pie is ready to go into a 400-degree oven for approximately 45 minutes to an hour. We will test it with a clean knife after 45 minutes to see if it comes out clean and to check for doneness. I will now put it in a nice 400-degree oven. After about 45 minutes, you should check your pie to make sure it is done. And I did, after 15 minutes at 400 degrees, I turned the oven down to 350. So it's been at 350 for the last half an hour. I did check it at 45 minutes and it was not done, so this has now been an hour. We'll open this up. You can sort of shake it and see, I think, and you take a clean knife and you stick it straight into the pie and bring it straight out again. And if nothing is clinging to it, it means your pie is done. And I think this pie is done.